trend is further rising owing to the rapid growth of IT and software industries in the country. A career in computer science and engineering has been proved lucrative and rewarding since last decade. An individual who studies computer science and engineering at undergraduate or postgraduate level not only learns the aspect of the computer but also learns the knowledge of operating system, programming language, database, skill for life, study the design, analytical skills, communication, computer knowledge and critical thinking.
Hello, I'm Khyati from Krishnagiri and I'm pursuing my BE Computer Science from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. As we know, all the business is going digital. This has led to a huge job demands in the field of computer science. And our college offers a special training for such placements that would help us sharpen our both technical skills and the aptitude skills. We get a value education from the skilled and trained faculties that help us a lot. I'm glad to choose this.
As a computer science engineer, you can work in database management, information technology, web design, mobile apps, gaming and graphic design industries. Also in embedded and telecommunications field, software developments and even in computer hardware and software implementations. If you want to convert your dream into virtual reality, then computer science engineering is for you. The objective is to provide students with the knowledge and tools that will allow them to design and implement effective, economical and creative solutions for the needs of individuals, society and the high-tech economy. Then we have a lot of wonderful, comfortable and spacious classrooms. The department consists of 3 well-equipped labs with latest systems and internet facility of 200 MB per second. And we got a wonderful HOD and friendly hood staffs which make life as a precious moment in our college life. Mainly, we are conducting many workshops, technical events, national level conferences, symposium, online courses, hackathon and projects and even fun events too. About our placement, although are you afraid of interviews, for that only nowadays we are conducting placement training. This team is committed to the task of securing final placements and summer internships for every student on campus. It has not only consistently set high standards for itself but has been successful in surpassing them time and again. And also bootcamp training and special coaching class for students which have good companion among students and handled by our department staff, and these are the companies to recruit students. About our club activities, we have 2 clubs. One is High Tapes Club, which is quite interesting. We can learn how to create and start our own websites, making apps without coding and hacking and more and more. And another one is Designer Club, which we can learn our extracurricular activities like graphics designing, photography, video editing, and which leads to express their talent and we take it to the next level.